Anyway, all right, let's get back to home inspection. You know, we talk about home inspectors, you know, and why, here's my thing, why do people wait until they sell their house to get a home inspector to come look at it? If you have a relationship with someone that inspects your house, then why would you need one when you sell your house? You already should know what's wrong with it.
Right.
I mean, that's my thinking. If your house is your largest investment, for Pete's sake.
Oh yeah.
Why wouldn't you be more in touch with it? You know, I go to houses and I can see, for example, a few weeks ago I went and replaced a downdraft, you know, in a house, downdraft ventilation system. Completely replaced it because of duct size and diameters and all. But anyway, we updated. The minute I got out of out of my truck in that driveway, I looked at the house and I said, this house has been well taken care of.
Right.
Very well taken care of. You know, and I even commented to the lady of the house. I said, you've really taken care of this house. She said, well, we hadn't been here but 4 or 5 years. And I said, but this house has been taken care of.
Right.
And it was a 50s, 60s built house. Amazing. And that's what I mean, you know, if you really care about your property, you're going to have it looked at.
Right.
Just
Right.
like preventative maintenance on your car.
absolutely.
Exactly.
Right?
And
You get
then
an oil change so that
Well,
it runs better.
We go
longer.
get a physical for insurance. Of course, now granted, the insurance might make us, but it's a good thing. You know, you pick up on things early and, you know, get some scans done. Why wouldn't you do that with the largest investment in your life?
exactly. And that's what I highly recommend to all. All right, let's go to phone